Hi, I'm Tim Gibson, and I'm going to talk to you about how to paint cement. Now, there's a couple things you can do with cement as far as painting it. Now, you may have cement that's been poured in a patio or on a sidewalk, or in this case, that's in a garage. You know, cement or concrete, two different names that we use, but it's basically the same type of surface. Now, the most important thing is when you're getting ready to paint cement or concrete is to make sure that the surface is dust-free and is as clean as you can get it. So we'll want to sweep it, we'll want to vacuum it, and then you've got to prepare the surface to make sure it's clean, and also to make sure the surface is etched so that any kind of paint will adhere to it. Two ways that we do that and achieve that etching is you use what we call muriatic acid. Now, you got to be very careful in using muriatic acid. You want to make sure that you have rubber gloves on, protective clothing, and that you're wearing goggles, and better yet, a face shield. It's very caustic and very dangerous to use, so you got to be very careful in making sure you don't get splatters. But we use that muriatic acid. We use it full strength, spread it out, and use a heavy brush it into the surface, and then after you do that, you rinse it down with a hose. Now, some of the kits that you have for painting cement, such as this garage floor, come with its own cleaner. And one thing that's nice about these kits has an epoxy-based finish, but it comes with a citrus-based cleaner and etcher for the floor. So it's it's much milder. It's not as dangerous to use. Now, you want to still use your protective clothing and protective gear, rubber gloves and face shield, but it's not as something that's going to be as caustic or you have to worry about as much as if you get it on your skin. Now, to apply or to paint the cement, usually the easiest way is to use a roller and to roll this on. Work out of a pan, roll it on, and in this case you can see here we've got all these speckles, and basically that comes with the kit. It's some dried paint. So you roll an area, you roll about a 3 foot by 3 foot area, then you sprinkle those on, and then you come in and you roll another area. Some other things you can do with cement is you can also use concrete or cement stains out there. So that might be something to consider if you have a patio or sidewalk area, or even in some interior homes. A lot of your cement finished floors, people are looking at using those type of stains. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to paint cement.